Hey, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why this Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera always cuts out on me. The 1300 model edition. So it's not like it's a European one, it's the American version of it. Don't know why it always cuts out on me. I'm annoyed at that, but yeah, videos always like part 1, part 2, part 3. I want to make it a one freaking video shoot. But yeah. Anyway. Getting back to this, as I was saying, you could get like a weapon pack, which in a weapon pack you get like 2 weapons. So you could buy the weapons separately. There's also pilot packs that you just get the pilot, which I think it's like $7 or $10 for a weapon pack. Pilot packs are like $5, was like the cheapest that you're gonna get. But no ship. And unfortunately, for some odd reason, they do not sell just a ship pack, where you could just get the ship by itself. You have to buy it like this, where you get 1 weapon, 1 ship, and 1 pilot for $20. Which I would love it if they gave you 2 weapons, 1 ship, and a pilot for $20. That would have been a freaking better idea, Ubisoft and Nintendo and stuff. But yeah, so yeah, it's released for Nintendo Switch, PS4, and Xbox. Xbox One, I believe. Or maybe Xbox One X, One X, One S. I don't know, the Xbox Ones, they just kept coming out with them in the lineup. Kind of like the iPhones, you know, how there was the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, then the iPhone X, which was iPhone 10, and then the iPhone X/10 Plus, and then now there's the iPhone R, which is actually the iPhone LR. Yeah, it's like iPhones that come out every 2 freaking seconds or every day. So, yeah, kind of like that going on with the Xboxes. Anyway, unfortunately, there's no PC support, so there's no PC version of this game. Don't know why. I mean, you'd think you'd be able to find something like this on Steam for some reason. And then, you know, they come out with like some kind of mountain system to, you know, do it up for PCs, but, you know. Or, you know, a mobile game would be great. Like, remember how Skylanders did for tablets? If you didn't want to buy it for your console, you could buy a tablet version. Yeah, so, you know, nothing like that for this. Anyway, Crash the Server is the pirate fearless racer project who boosts up speed wins every time. Like, what is that? That's not even good proper grammar or English. Whose boost up speed wins every time. Who uses a speed boost to win every time. That would be a better proper grammar or English. They would have been like, said, a fearless racing project who uses speed bursts of speed. You know, I mean, like, whoever's in charge nowadays, people are stupid. They like, don't know how to use proper good English grammar. They're like, word be bad, use be bad. It's like, ooga booga. If you speak caveman, people don't understand you. It's like, speak English grammar. And other people is just like typing like, you know, you are great. And like, LOL and DTF and stuff. It's like, okay, just say, you know, the full word. I understand, you know, testing you only have so many characters, but, you know. But even when you spell it, like, on packages and stuff, yeah, you can tell. People don't know how to spell. Anyway, so you get Volcano, which is the weapon. Melt down enemy armor with superheat shots. And then Pulse, which is the ship. Speeds across Atlas with a performance class ship. So this ship is a performance class, which is kind of odd and weird that it's a performance class. You'd think that would be a speeder, some kind of speed boost type of ship, a fast ship. Now I know performance sometimes means, you know, speed and stuff, like fine-tuned for high performance and stuff, but they don't even say that it's a high performance. They just said it's a performance crash ship. Yeah. Yep. Not only that, but I don't know where else to go with this. I do like the artwork packaging. Kind of like Transformer-ish with their design and the artwork on the packaging. But, yeah. They really got these things in here super duper tight. Come on. Dang. If our glow dog cannot even get these out of packages, how the heck do they expect kids to get on the packages? Now this ship actually came out of there pretty easily, which I'm surprised. So we do get our little figure here, which the detail works okay, I guess. They are really rubbery. What I don't like is that the little circuit board is all exposed back here. That I don't like. And it's not just on the figure, it's also on the weapon, the ship. By the way, the ship looks good. It actually looks like a racing ship. The way how this is, I would put them on like the back, like see how this one only has one on the back. I would change it, put like cut it down, lift this big piece right here, cut this one off here and here, and left it like that. And then maybe add another one back here so that it has two fins back there. The wings do not move or rotate, unlike with the Starfox one, which, you know, his wings can actually fold down, so you could fold them down, open them up and stuff. Here's the little weapon. Pretty good on the detail work on the weapon for the paint job. And I love how weapons are marked with little symbols to let you know what class they are, where they go and stuff. You could just drop the weapon on there. And it doesn't really matter what wing you drop it onto. So it's not like, oh, this guy go to the left wing, this one's gotta go to the right wing. Nope. And so that I didn't really notice, you can pop wings off of the starships. So you can actually mix and match wings. So you can have something like that, or let's take this one off. Oh yeah, when you're removing pilots, there's this little notch here that is to remove your pilot. So we'll slide our pilot on, test our ship, and then we could test the other wing to it, so that we have something like this. Or we could just throw the original wing back on here. So you can kind of see in there, there's a little cockpit that you can kind of see the pilot in there and stuff. Looks pretty cool. And it's little controller mounts. You can actually use it on a little display stand. Kind of like NSG, you know, modern support goods from Kobukia. Which I don't know if they have like modern support goods, really. For Armor Core, I know like Flame Arms. Flame on Goes, they have it. Dread Mortal Color, the Bandai ones. I'm trying to think. I think there was some other one that had modern support good. You know, like display stand models, like model display stand bases. I mean, yeah, it was pretty cool. And yeah, they say just take the ship and walk it to the side to pop them off. So, yep. So that's what you'll be getting for about 20 bucks at GameStop. Figure, ship, weapon. So you get the pirate, ship, weapon for 20 bucks. And I guess it's okay. I would really love it if it had 2 others. As you know, each ship could support 2 weapons, 1 each wing, but yeah. So that has been the unboxing review part 2 of the Starlink's Battle for Atlas ship pad Pulse. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button. Alright, thanks, bye.